Welcome to the world of Whitey. Ako po, ang inyong pangmalakasan, hindi mo bang ba nga bastigan pong kaitan na pambansang Yormi ng Bayan. Ang pobreng Yormi all the way from the rising star of Western Visayas, where the mountain meets the sea. Sa akin pong mga kasimaryo at mga kasimanwa, saan mang panig ng Pilipinas, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Kamusta po kayong lahat? To all our friends at home and around the world, sa atin pong mga kababayan, saan man po kayo sa mundo, Yormi is here at your service. Maraming maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagmamahal at suporta. Thank you for the love and support sa aking pinakabago na bahay munting tahanan dito sa mundo ni Whitey. Of course, to be honest with you, I've been in politics for quite some times, and my transition from politics to the wider world is somewhat quite different, somewhat peculiar, extraordinary, kakaiba, because the shift from politics to YT to YouTube needs something bigger. It requires a lot of lakas ng loob, tibay ng dibdib, at higit sa lahat, the most important thing, pinakamahalaga, pinaka-importante, kapal ng mukha is very vital, very essential, the number one requirement kapag nandito ka. And now I realized that the view from here is quite different. Iba pala dito, iba pala ang labanan sa daigdig ni Whitey. Kailangan pala natin na alisin ang takot sa ating sarili, sa ating dibdib if we really want to explore the world. Like what I'm doing right now, trying to explore the white world. Sabi nga nila, the only thing that we have to fear is fear itself. No, so in order for me to confront my own fear, so kailangan ko talaga ng tons and tons and tons of courage. Kailangan ko talaga ng napakaraming lakas ng loob, napakaraming tibay ng dibdib, at napakaraming bonggang-bongga na kapal ng mukha for me to survive in this journey. Sana po ay samahan ninyo ako, no, sa aking career talaga, sa aking adhikain, sa aking misyon dito sa Y2 World. Sana po ay hindi niyo ako iwan, sana po ay patuloy niyo akong tangkilikin, suportahan as we create a good, true, and beautiful world together. Now, I know that each of us has a lot of things to share, and like me, of course, I want to share my thoughts and feelings and a lot of things that really matter to each and every one. We all know that we are living in a very crucial environment in a fast-changing world. Bawat isa sa atin is embattled every single day of our life. And we need someone, we need somebody. We need a platform. Kailangan natin ng bahay, ng tahanan sa white world na makakatulong sa atin, that can provide us a sense of motivation, a sense of inspiration for us to be able to confront the impediments of life. So that's exactly what I'm going to do, to share my insights, words of wisdom, at iba pang hugot, mga good vibes, para sa ating lahat. So samahan po ninyo ako. Sama-sama tayo together, always and forever as we grow, as we expand, habang nagpapatayo tayo ng ating mga munting tahanan dito sa white world. Sa muli, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ito po ang pambansang Yorme ng bayan ang pangmalakasan hindi mabangbang basken buong kaitan nga pubring yorme. Thank you for the love and support and see you sa my next video ko na magkita-kita tayo. Maraming salamat po.